A quality beard trimmer is an essential piece of kit for anyone looking to tame and style their facial hair. But since no two beards are the same, there's no one-size-fits-all option. A wide range of trimmers are available, and each one has different specs, feature sets, and pricing. In this guide, we'll go through some of the key things to look out for, so that you can make a well-informed buying decision. First up, let's talk about cutting length. Every trimmer has a specified cutting length range. While most devices allow you to remove the comb to gain access to the blades for a close trim, you'll need to make sure that your style doesn't exceed the upper length limit. Likewise, you'll want to pay attention to the number of increments between the longest and shortest cutting lengths. Some trimmers offer a variety of trimming lengths via an adjustable comb, while others come with multiple fixed combs. If you tend to keep your beard all the same length, that's a minor consideration. But if you want a more tailored look, it's a good idea to look for a trimmer that offers more versatility. Whether you plan on using your trimmer at home or while traveling, battery life is crucial. Lithium-ion batteries offer the best performance, both in terms of how long they last and how quickly they charge. Other types of battery don't tend to perform so well, so it's really important to check the listed charge and run times when you're comparing models. Not all trimmers run while plugged in, so that's another thing you may want to check. It's also a good idea to choose a model that has a convenient plug type. Traditional 2-pin shaver plugs are common, but you'll need an adapter if you don't have a suitable outlet handy. You may also want to consider a trimmer that's waterproof. While this won't affect the trimming performance, it does mean that you can clean the device under the tap and in some cases even use it in the shower. The last thing to consider is whether the trimmer you're looking at comes with any additional accessories. Some devices come with detailed trimmers, foil shavers, and even nose hair trimmers. And although a beard trimmer won't be as good as a dedicated hair clipper, some can do that job too. For a rundown of the best beard trimmers currently available, along with the best deals, see our website. Get the expert review.